Good morning, everyone. This is Shazma Fatima, lecturer in Civil Department. Now we are going to discuss about construction management and entrepreneurship. In that, we are going to discuss about the subtopics advantages, classifications, and different earth moving equipments we used in civil engineering. So different equipment we used. So now coming to the advantages of utilizing construction equipments. Increases the output through work progress with the best effective and efficient methods. Reduce the overall construction costs, especially for large contracts. Carry out the activities which cannot be done manually or to do them quickly. To reduce the heavy manual work to control various hazards and health issues. To maintain high quality standards often required by present day design and specifications. Increases the output through work progress with the best effective and efficient method. Reduced the overall construction cost, especially for large contracts. Now coming to the next topic, we have classification of construction equipments. Depending upon the applications, construction equipments are classified into various categories. Number 1, earth moving equipment, earth compacting equipment, hauling equipment, hosting equipment, conveying equipment, aggregate production equipment, equipment used in construction, in concrete construction, pile driving equipment, here we will discuss briefly about all types of equipment. Now here earth moving equipment, earth compacting equipment, hauling equipment, hosting equipment, conveying equipment, aggregate production equipment, equipment used in concrete construction, pile driving equipment. Now coming to the earth moving equipment, we have selection category for earth moving equipment, quantities of materials to be used, the available time to complete the work, the prevailing soil types, the swell and compaction factors, the job conditions include factors such as availability of loading and dumping area, accessibility of sites, traffic follows and weather conditions. Quantities of materials to be used, the available time to complete the work, the prevailing soil types, the swell and compaction factors. The job conditions includes factors such as availability of loading and dumping area, accessibility of site, traffic flows and weather conditions, etc. Now coming to the earth moving equipments, we have excavator. Excavators are heavy construction equipment consisting of a boom, stick, bucket and cap on a rotating platform which is known as house. You can see the image of an excavator. Are also called as diggers. Excavators are used for digging of trenches, holes, foundations, material handlings, heavy lifting, river dredging, driving piles, etc. Excavators are used for digging of trenches, holes, foundations, material handling, heavy lifting, river dredges, driving piles, etc. Are heavy in construction equipment. They have buckets and cups on a rotating platform which is known as house. Excavators are also called as diggers. Are used for digging of trenches, holes, foundations, material handling, heavy lifting, river dredging, driving piles. Now coming to the backhoe. Backhoes are mainly used to clean up construction areas, to dig holes in the ground, to make trenches, and to help in removing deep roots from trees. You can see the image of a backhoe. It is used in removing deep roots from trees. A backhoe is also called as rear actor or back actor, who back shovel and pull shovel. The basic parts are boom, jack boom, boom foot drum, boom shovel, stick shapes, stick bucket, and bucket shape. Coming to the applications, it is the most suitable machine for digging below the machine level, such as trenches, footing, basement, etc. It can be efficiently used to dress or trim the surface, avoiding the use of manual effort for dressing the excavated surface. A mechanical excavator that draws towards itself a bucket attached to a hinged boom, also called as rear actor, is a type of excavating equipment or diggers consisting of a digging bucket on the end of a two-part articulated arm. It is typically mounted on the back of a tractor or front loader, the latter forming a backhoe loader. Now coming to the front shovel. A front shovel is a bucket equipped machine, usually electrically powered, used for digging and loading earth or fragmented. You can see the image of a front shovel. Rock, and for mineral extraction, they are mounted on a crawler tracks. These are used to excavate earth of all classes except hard rock and load it into wagons. Basic parts are track systems, cabin, cables, rack, stick, boom, foot pin, saddle block, boom, boom point, sheaves, and bucket. A shovel work cycle or digging cycle consists of 4 phases: digging, swinging, damping, returning. Applications of front shovel: suitable for close range of work, capable of digging very hard materials, can remove big size boulders, suitable for close range of works, capable of digging very hard materials, can remove big size boulders. Now coming to the multiple choice question, we have a grader which is told by a tractor is known as. Your options are A. Tractor grader, B. Motor grader, C. Scraper, D. Elevating grader. And your option is D. Elevating grader. The self-propelled grader is known as a motor grader. For grading, the machine moves forward and steering in controlling by steering wheel. Now coming to the next question, we have dash consists of a large bucket which is attached to a tractor. Your options are A. Bulldozer, B. Scraper, C. Grader, D. Escalator. Now your option is B. Scraper. The capacity of scraper varies from 3 meter cube to 9 meter cube. The scrap has a cutting edge or blade at the bottom, and it is possible to dig earth to a depth of about 250 mm. Now coming to the next question, we have dash are usually mounted on 2 or 4 pneumatic tire wheels. Our options are A. Scraper, B. Back tractor, and C. Elevator, D. Excavator. Now your option is A. Scraper. Now coming to the explanation of above question is an apron is provided in front of the container which opens and closes in order to regulate the flow of earth in and out of the container. Scrapers are capable of producing a very smooth and accurate formation level. Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of scraper consists of a 4-wheeled scraper ball towed beyond crawler power unit. Your options are A. 3 axle, B. 2 axle, C. crawler drawn, D. 4 axle. Now your option is C. crawler-drawn. Your explanation: capacities of a scraper ball ranges from 3 meters cube to 50 meters cube. The speed of operation is governed by the speed of towing vehicles, which is 8 km per hour when hauling and 3 km per hour when scrapping. Now coming to the next question, we have and dash is an oldest type of machine which removes earth. Our options are excavator, B. excavator, C. elevator, D. bulldozer.
axle.
And your option is B, excavator. Excavator performs its work of moving the earth while the main unit is stationary. The tidal effort is required to move the dead weight of earth in a vertical plane. Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of excavator used for digging the foundation trenches below operating level. Your options are A, clamshell, B, back actor, C, power shovel, D, skimmer. And your option is B, back actor. A back trench who excavator can also be used for the excavation of smaller areas such as basement footings and trenches. The hoe is an instrument for scraping, digging, and loosening the earth. Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of excavator is used for digging below at or above operating level in a vertical range. Your options are A, skimmer, B, drag line, C, clamshell, D, back trench. And your option is clamshells. The clamshells excavators are widely used for rehandling of materials and for working in limited space, as in case of foundation trenches for pipelines, etc. It is also used for jobs that requires fairly accurate damping and disposal of material. Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of excavator carry shovel at its low end, where options are A. Power shovel, B. Drag line, C. Clamshell, D. Back actor. And your option is A. Power shovel. Power shovel excavator is used to dig at air above the operating level. It can handle loose rock and the material caught in the shovel can be suitably disposed of.
Dredger.
Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of excavator is used for digging at or below the operating level. Your options are A. Skimmer, B. Drag line, C. Power shovel, D. Dredger. And your option is B. Drag line. The various types of drag lines excavator are available, and the factor affecting the output of a drag line excavator are the size and type of bucket, the depth of cutting, length of boom, and the angle of swing. Now coming to the next question, we have dash type of excavator carries the skimmer at its lower end. Your options are A. Skimmer, B. Dranger, C. Excavator, D. Elevator. Your option is A. Skimmer. Skimmer is used for surface excavation and leveling, and it cuts the surface of earth to a depth of about 200 mm to 300 mm. The skimmer excavator can also be used for loading the loose excavated material. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. This is Shazma Fatima, lecturer in Civil Department. Now we are going to discuss about construction management and entrepreneurship. In that, we are going to discuss about the subtopics advantages, classifications, and different earth moving equipments we used in civil engineering. So different equipment we used.